Hi guys, it's Simon at Carlos Capital Markets with the daily direction predictions for Monday the 10th of April. So there's two on the watch list today, and that would be silver short and UK 100 long. So silver short, and I'll show what I'm looking at there. So on the weekly chart, as you can see, we're in this zone we are. Now this zone's been drawn out those the last few months in all fairness. A little bit of chop around there in the past, but recently the top of the zone's been 18,750 and the bottom zone's been about $18. It has. So the fact we've got a double top now within the zone and closing below the zone, that's quite a bearish signal for me there. And I'll be looking for a little short-term play. Now on the daily chart, as you can see on Friday, because of NFP again pretty much, silver sold off quite hard, and what we're looking for now is a pullback into the zone on intraday price action. Just take short and get out, well, pretty much just an intraday pullback. So let me just show you the intraday play I'm looking at here. So this is your 4-hour chart here at the moment. You can see we've got this up, well, I'm not drawing this in, but you've got upper sloping trend line here you have on the 4-hour. It's broke to downside quite heavily, and now I'm looking for a pullback. So my pullback I'm looking for is pretty much to the 4-hour 50, as being the absolute peak it would be. But I think the 4-hour 50 will come down along with the 1-hour 50. They'll meet to in the same area roughly. I've got 18,050 as a level here, purely because it's acted as support and resistance in the past several times. So for me personally, it coincides everything quite nicely, and again that coincides with the weekly $18 level. Sorry. So really, what I'm looking for really, pull back up here, test the pivot pretty much, test the fib 382. The 1-hour 50 will come down, the 4-hour 50 be in that area as well. There's your upward sloping trend that we broke to the downside. See rejection around here, I'll just take it short. I want to get out just a little quick, well, 1.1% pretty much there. Get out before S1. The reason why is because any lower than that, you got daily 50 in the way, you got other key levels around here as well. So personally myself, just a very short term trade in and out, but this is why it's set this way, because I want to see the rejection of the pivot and everything else. And then I went roughly around about this area here, which would be around about 18.6, 18.7, 18.06, 18.07, sorry. UK 100 now. This again is a short-term play, but I think it's got some credibility there. So on Friday we closed. Here's a downward sloping trend line here, and we closed above it quite nicely after rejecting the 50 MA, daily 50 again, and the key 7300 level with a nice bullish engulfing candle. So I like the momentum there. I like the breakout. So I'm looking to trade the intraday pullback now. So quite literally the same again in all fairness. This on the 1-hour chart looks a little bit messy, and some people go, oh, I'll draw a trend line differently and this, that and the other. But if we just pop to the 4-hour chart, this is what really broke it for me. So notice how we had this bullish engulfing candle, and again we've moved a little bit higher as well after that. So for me personally, the fact that we broke above it and stayed above it without no rejection whatsoever is quite nice. Whereas before, this downward sloping trend line has really given some nice resistance in the past couple of days or so, couple of weeks. So personally myself, I pull back down to around this area here again, testing the trend line, testing the 4-hour 50 and the 1-hour 50 all in one area. Now I want to get out though. It's only a short-term trade. I want to get out before 7378, and I'll explain why. If you look here, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this could be the right shoulder. And we're still making a lower high here, but we made a triple bottom here. We broke up here, so pulling back here, have a live entry here would actually designate a higher low, which would be quite nice. But this is the right shoulder here. I don't want to be in the trade, short-term trade right now, and get out and have it fight this area here. I want to get out before that, but I do see there's been a little bit of room to breathe, to have a little bit of profit there as well. So another trade, that would be, I think, another 1.2% or something. So it's at 1.2%, roughly what I'm thinking of there. That's what I'm looking for. Okay guys, that's it for today. For the rest of the week, I will be looking on dollar, yen and euro Aussie. So depending on how they form on Monday, today will be most likely Tuesday trades. Gold is still on my list as well, funny enough, for the week. But I'm waiting for a full breakdown of that as well. So guys, take care, and I hope you have a good weekend. I'll see you soon.